Maidí mai heis móirí agus a fastí aniu tamid ag planáil agus ag Janú ré don lá Fhéile Pádraig to preparing and getting ready for lá Fhéile Pádraig for St. Patrick's Day. Agus fecim an bóstar seo go bhfuil an clán ag buint sult mór as ag fecin an barrage in Maile Clia, looking at the parade in Dublin an telefís. Tá siad in a sí sa siomra sí os chóir na telefíse ag fecint an barrage. Agus is tí sa parrage fecim a lán daoine agus hagatana ag caithú glas, agus áiriste agus buí agus ban agus tá siad ag ceiliúrú ar níomh atúil they're celebrating our local saint or our St. Patrick, our patron saint, Fhéile Pádraig, St. Patrick. Agus ceiliúr an muid lá Fhéile Pádraig an seachtú lá déag de bhí Martha a gafléon. We celebrate St. Patrick's Day every 17th of March every year. Agus tá lán focail bunte leis ar Fhéile Pádraig. There's a lot of words associated with our national saint. Agus seo codge dóibh, these are some of them. And shamrock, the shamrock. Hatta, glass, hatta and leprechaun, the green hat of the leprechaun. Fhéile Pádraig féin, St. Patrick himself. Tadini ag ceiliúrú agus ag marshal, people are celebrating and dancing ag dausa agus ag marshal marching. Seo brat na heron, the Irish flag, tá sé glass, ban agus áiriste. It's green, white and gold. Tá Banna ceolig Shannon sa parrage. There is a music band playing in the parade. Agus tá sé ag marshal, he's marching. Agus ag Shannon and trumpa war playing the big trumpet there. Agus tá an cailín seo ag buint sult as an ceol. She's enjoying the music. Agus tá she dousail. Agus seo an banna ceol, the band, and seo an leprechaun, Larry the leprechaun. Agus tá ribini in a lavig na dausori. They have got ribbons in their hands. Agus tá siad Janu iad agus casú iad sus in there, twirling them in the air. Seo an boa bashti. Agus that's the rainbow. Agus ag bun and boa bashti at the bottom of the rainbow. Jerter go bhfuil pot or. There's a golden pot of money, arigid ag fannacht and dinner as féidir lá and pot or amshu, whoever can find the pot of gold ag bun and boa bashti at the bottom of the rainbow. Agus fecum gohfuil lá an at seo pládithe. The place is packed with people. Ag and looked fecana, the audience or the people who are watching on are ag fecant an barrage. Agus istí sa parrage cumai, and then the parade as well. We see other things such as flota parrage, such as Flota, F-L-O fada T-A, Paraja, P-A-R-A fada I-D-E. Agus fecin muid lán rudi ela dini ag dausa, agus ag ceol, agus ag shenam ceol, people dancing, playing music, and fecin siad tarakori, we see tractors, agus fecin muid lán dausori, we see lots of dancers. Agus dini gléis the sus mar puppetry war as big puppets, ag chacht sheas and moher coming down the road. Agus chain and clan go léir ama hagen barrage go hatchul come out. Lots of us go out locally in our own areas with our families to watch the parade. Agus bunin sheet sport agus sprias, they enjoy and have lots of fun at it. Am and I'm sure why sometimes the weather isn't too good, Marta Solgin, as we all know. Marfecum Lochanishke, Linishke, we see lots of little puddles, Erin Moher on the road, August being Shefur galore, so Kahidini Agoti, or who people must wear their coats. August Glasu Suis go Charlie to dress up cozily, Willish Hatta August scarf August gaffrod ert. August Chroihan shade na bratacha na heron, they often wave the flags of Ireland Celiúrú our St. Patrick, again celebrating our patron saint. Agus tá trí St. Patrick ag éireann. We have 3 patron saints in Ireland. St. Padraig, St. Colm Cillia, as dún na nál, cutting Colm Cilfn Donegal, agus St. Bríde, St. Bridget, ó Kildare from Kildare. So seo ar Geliúrú an seachtain seo. Bé me jig Janu Cumai Pastí and Iran la Padraig. So we're just going to go to that now. Agus Éisteach leis. So Lala Padraig, Lala Padraig, Lala Padraig, hip hooray, big Shannon, big Marshall, Lala Padraig, hip hooray. And it goes like this, boys and girls. Lala Padraig, Lala Padraig, Lala Padraig, hip hooray, big Shannon, big Marshall, Lala Padraig, hip hooray. Lala Padraig, Lala Padraig, Lala Padraig, hip hooray. Big Shannon, big Marshall, Lala Padraig, hip hooray. So that's our little Iran the Seachtaine, our little song of the week. We'll also do a few other poems and songs to do with it. Agus ag clachtú Cruban Asel will be practicing as well. Shoe the donkey. Agus ag Janu ar Dausa Cumai doing our little dance as well. So go to Chiad Mila Moiga de Fashti, agus Hish Mohori, agus the Sulogum Gurwinch of Salt as and Fishin Vig Shaw. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Slan.